everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have to apologize for the noise. I have my baby here in an activity center and it is the only way I can try and get these reviews done because he's just not having anything else today. So it is what it is. I will try and talk a bit louder, but that's what that noise is. So today we are talking about the YSL Pure Shots, if that's going to focus. And this is the Perfect Plumper Nutri-Cream. So I have actually done previous videos on different YSL Pure Shots products, I guess you would say. This one, as you can tell, was only a sample size. However, I was super excited to try this because a lot of reviews have said that they have noticed a difference after one use. And what I have really learned is you can't really judge a product by using it once. So I was very skeptical. However, it's proved me wrong because this is one of those products that I actually was like, I woke up and I was like, wow. So I put this on at night. I found because it's such a thick cream, I just prefer it at night because I didn't like it under makeup. Some people can get away with it, but for me, I just like more of a lighter coverage. So yeah. I woke up and I was floored and so shocked at how different my skin felt and looked. It was super plump, it was really radiant almost, and just felt so buttery soft almost. I was completely shocked. Honestly, I was not expecting it. But yeah, it really did, in my opinion, change my skin appearance and feel in one use. So, also for pricing, this comes in a 50ml container, which is 148 Australian dollars. And then on the YSL website, it also says you can purchase a 50ml refill for $126. So, what it says, it is for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Day one, you will notice skin is radiant, supple, and nourished, which I absolutely did. And then after 28 days, it says signs of aging are reduced and wrinkles are less visible and skin is firmer and more youthful. So I can't say after 28 days because this didn't last me that long, obviously. But yeah, after a couple of days, 100% they're not lying when it's a difference. The smell, it's really beautiful. It's like fresh, but a creamy fresh. Like, not like a vanilla cream, like a really high-end moisturizer smell, I would say. I know that doesn't describe it, but you know how something just smells really expensive? That's how I would describe this. It has a little bit of a citrusy scent, absolutely not overpowering at all. And when you put it on, it's not something that you smell constantly, like that definitely goes. But yeah, really subtle citrus, beautiful scent. So I highly recommend, if you can get yourself a sample of this at least, to try it. Completely shocked, completely love it. Highly recommend. If you've tried this, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear if it's worked for you as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.